Before we dive deeper into the history and ancient wisdom regarding semen retention, it's important first to understand semen's biology. Let's explore the nutrients and energy it contains and how it is replenished. You'll learn everything you always wanted to know about semen, but were afraid to ask. The process starts in your brain in an area called the hypothalamus. The hypothalamus is attached to a gland called the pituitary gland. This pea-sized gland is known as the master gland because it directly produces or initiates the production of every hormone in your body. There are a number of hormones involved in semen production. The three hormones we'll talk about are the gonadotropin releasing hormone, GnRH, the luteinizing hormone LH, and the follicle stimulating hormone FAH. The process begins when the hypothalamus secretes GnRH, causing the pituitary gland to release both LH and FAH. Once LH and FAH are released, they go to the testes where they effectively send a message to specialized cells located there. Leydig and Sertoli cells. When the Leydig cells receive the LH message from the pituitary gland, they begin to convert cholesterol into testosterone. Once testosterone enters these Sertoli cells, it triggers cell division known as mitosis and meiosis. The cell division that produces sperm is known as meiosis. The resulting spermatozoa, the technical name for sperm, begins to mature as with any baby. Infant sperm have to have the proper environment to mature. The incubation chambers for these baby sperm are called seminiferous tubules. All of this activity in your seminiferous tubules requires a specific temperature to occur. That's why the testicles are located externally, so their temperature will always remain at around 932 degrees Fahrenheit, 34 degrees Celsius. The product of this activity is a fully formed spermatozoon with a head, a body, and a tail. The system that controls erection and ejaculation is called the autonomic nervous system. This same system controls both erection and ejaculation. The autonomic nervous system is made up of two different parts: the sympathetic nervous system and the parasympathetic nervous system. The sympathetic nervous system is your fight or flight nervous system. The parasympathetic nervous system is the other side of the coin. It calms you down after the excitement has passed when a man is aroused. The parasympathetic nervous system is stimulated to relax certain muscles. The relaxation of these muscles allows blood to engorge the tissues of the penis, resulting in an erection. The seminal vesicles and prostate gland are the structures that produce seminal fluid. It is the combination of the sperm and the seminal fluid that is called semen. The seminal fluid is what nourishes the sperm and protects them from the acidic environment of the vagina so that they can enter the uterus to seek out an egg. It is because of the seminal fluid that sperm can live for approximately 72 hours after ejaculation. The prostate gland is a gland about the size of a walnut, and it is located between the penis and the bladder. It also adds fluid secretions to the sperm. As it is being ejaculated, the fluid from the prostate, called pre-ejaculate, can be clear or milky white and is slightly acidic. The seminal vesicles are actually two small glands located inside the pelvis. The fluid they produce and secrete into the ejaculatory tract includes fructose, citric acid, potassium proteins, phosphorus, and prostaglandins. The seminal vesicles produce approximately 65 to 75% of the seminal fluid. There are a number of nutrients that are essential to the process of sperm production. Let's look at the role of each of these. Zinc, selenium, and vitamins B12, A, E, and C. Zinc is crucial for the proper replication of genetic material required for healthy mitosis and meiosis. Selenium is another vital mineral for sperm production. Its main function is to act as an antioxidant. Vitamins B12, Ce, and E act as antioxidants to protect the internal testicular tissues. The whole process of spermatogenesis takes an average of 64 to 74 days from start to finish. This means that it can take about 2 months for your sperm cells to mature in the incubating chamber inside your testes. After the maturation period, it takes an additional 14 days for sperm to fully mature in the epididymis. That means It takes nearly 3 months for the whole cycle to be concluded. Seminal fluid is a bit different. This substance is more readily available since it is replenished every 2 days. It is possible, therefore, to deplete your sperm. Now that you know that it takes about 2 to 3 months for the process of replenishment to take place, you might wonder if there could be other areas of your life that might benefit from these resources. That's a key way in which semen retention can be beneficial. It can redirect energetic resources to other areas of your body, and the resulting energy can act as jet fuel for your success in different areas of your life.